Hi, video fans. My name is Gary from Gary's Tours. I thought it might be fun to rent a Tesla from Hertz on a Florida adventure that I'm doing now in Naples. This is my hotel. And one of the first things you're going to do when you rent your Kia is try to figure out how to open it, since it doesn't use keys and there's really an unusual way to open it. So in this quick video, we're going to analyze how you open it. But before I do that, I want to tell you how thrilled I am with this car. This car has the acceleration of a motorcycle. I think police should use it to chase speeders. When you push the pedal to the floor, it instantly speeds up. You can go from probably, because I tested it a little bit, not to admit anything, if you floor the vehicle from zero, it'll go to 0 to 100 in six seconds. It's the fastest car I've ever been in my life. And there's no sound to it. It's not like a Corvette. You expect a Corvette to be fast. But this is a great car. It rides. I used to drive Mercedes-Benzes all the time. Now it has, the seat in this car is almost as good as the seat in the Mercedes. Now, when you want to open the car to get started with it, the first thing you do is you take the key that you received. See that little spot on the support bar between the front and rear window? Take your key, touch it to that spot, and then voila. All right, now in this first video about the Tesla, we're going to talk about how to open the Tesla. That's the first thing you want to do once you rent it. See the little spot on the support panel between the front and rear window? Tap on that with your key. You hear the horn beep, and voila, the car opens. As I say, this is the fastest car I've ever been in. I tested it. It'll do 0 to 106 seconds. It's an unbelievably fast car. It's big enough for my purposes. And in future videos, we're going to talk about how to charge it, which is also an interesting factor, and one that you'll find exciting as well. Thank you. Enjoy the video. And good luck renting a Tesla. Okay, this is the second Tesla video we're going to do. This shows the Tesla screen. You can get to the screen by punching the little icon that says car at the bottom left corner of the screen. And that will, then when you get the car, you select charging. This is how you're going to refill your car and charge it. You'll see that we're 71% fully charged. And we backed into a charging facility that has 32 amperage of power. 32, which is a lot, and it'll charge relatively fast. So now, how do you do that? Well, there's no gas latch or gas tank latch like there is in an American car, or I should say in a regular gasoline-powered car. But right on the screen here, this is where you do everything. All of your controls for the car are electronic on the screen. So it says open charge port. So you push that and it opens. Then it says unlock charge port. So you push that, and now the charge port is open and unlocked and ready to accept the charge. The rear of the car, you see the charge port is now opened, and the connection for charging is visible from the inside of the car. And the T light next to it shows blue. Nice. There's several types of chargers on it for different types of cars. There's a multiple unit of cars. We're going to pick the one that's for Tesla. The charging station. This is a commercial Joule charging station. When you go to a Tesla charging station, you plug it in and the bill goes directly to Hertz, who's the owner of the car. If I owned the car myself, and I went to a Tesla charging station, the bill would go directly to me and to whatever credit arrangement I've made with them. It'll be paid instantly to Elon Musk. And you probably have heard that both Ford and General Motors are going to adopt the Tesla charging system. So you'd be charging your vehicle at a Tesla charge point. And just as an interesting aside, coming across the Alligator Alley yesterday from Miami, my vehicle went down to less than half charged. So I stopped at a place to have a snack in the Midway area, Minnesota Indian reservation, and while I was I saw a Tesla charging facility. Plugged my Tesla in, went in, had a hamburger, had a cup of coffee, and then checked the charging status of my car. I said, well, I wonder if my car is charged. Now, I installed the Tesla app on my phone, which I recommend you do, because then your phone becomes your electronic key as well to enter the car. And I checked the app on the car, on the phone, and found that the Tesla was fully 100% charged. I didn't have to go out the 100 yards away from the restaurant to check on my Tesla. Very interesting features. I would describe driving a Tesla compared to driving a regular car. My regular car is a Camry Prius hybrid. It's night and day. It's like having a 1980s flip phone versus a brand new iPhone 15. The difference is just totally remarkable. All right, let's take a look at the connection.